Do you know many people are having trouble with engaging the electronic parking brake, EPB, on their 2019 Toyota RAV4? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate parking brake. First, pull up the parking brake switch. You should see the parking brake indicator light and lamp turn on. Step 2. Release parking brake. Next, press down the switch to release the parking brake while holding down the brake pedal. Step 3. Activate automatic mode. To turn on automatic mode, pull and hold the parking brake switch until you hear a buzzer and a message appears on the display. Step 4. Understand automatic function. When automatic mode is on, the parking brake will function when you switch the car from P. Step 5. Auto park settings. In automatic mode, the parking brake can be automatically set or released, depending on your shift lever operation. Step 6. Manual override option. But remember, even in automatic mode, you always have the option to manually set or release the parking brake. By following these steps, you should now be able to activate and use the electronic parking brake, EPB service mode, on your 2019 model Toyota RAV4. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.